If you're looking for a way to upload videos here while not actually releasing it in YouTube, just basically unlisted and only a number of people can actually access it, well, this one is going to be pretty easy. First things first, you want to go to youtube.com, log into your account. Now, at the top right here, you should be able to see your profile icon. Let's go and press on it, and you want to go to YouTube Studio. Now, from here, let's go ahead and basically go to the content section of our account in YouTube Studio. Now, in here, let's go and click on Create at the top right. From here, let's go and click on Upload Video. Let's go and click on Select Files and select the video that you may want to upload. Let's go and click on Open. Now it's going to start the upload process. Now you can add whatever details you want to add, like the title, description, thumbnails, playlists, and all those things. But once you've added all the details here, let's go and answer no, it's not made for kids. Let's go and click on Next here and add all the end screen here. Also, once the checks are done, click on Next. You should be able to see the visibility section at the very last page of the YouTube upload page. Now, what you need to do is you just need to choose the unlisted, since we want to basically upload this as unlisted and only anyone with the link of the video can actually watch the video. Now, in this case, you need to wait for the checks to complete, but once they're done, you can go and click on Save. Now, from here, once you've saved that, what you could do is you just need to click on the copy button here if you want to share this with or to a specific group or a specific number of people. As long as they have the link itself, they will be able to view the video. But yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you on the next one.